Based on your interviews po yesterday, simula nang pumutok itong balita na ito, may pagtanggi na po sa inyong hanay, especially kay House Speaker, yung usapin po ng change of leadership or yung shake-up po sa Kamara. Sa ngayon po ba, meron na po tayong update kung ilan po yung hawak na numero ni Speaker Romualdez ngayon?
Sa aking pagkakaalam, base sa aming pakikipag-ugnayan sa mga leaders ng ibang partido sa mababang kapulungan, mayorya pa rin. I cannot provide you the specific numbers because ito ay overwhelming majority, Angela. Yung usapin na change of leadership, hindi po namin alam saan po nang gagaling ito. At maaaring may nananaginip, maraming may nag-iisip. But again, as we all know, ang eleksyon po ng ating liderato sa mababang kapulungan ay base po sa numero. At kapag ikaw ay walang numero, it's all but noise. Again, diba?
Well, additional noise would be, sinasabi po nila, the only time that the House Speaker will resign is to hand it over to Congressman Sandro Marcos. Have you heard about that as well?
No, honestly, I haven't heard about that. And there is no logical reason for the Speaker to resign, considering that there is still a majority, overwhelming majority support coming from his colleagues. Majority pa rin ang nakasuporta sa ating Speaker tungkol dyan. So it is completely illogical and out of this world if he will resign. It's as if he is going to abandon the support extended to him by his colleagues, which I don't think the Speaker will do. Malayong-malayo ho sa usapin, yung usapin ng resignation. Sabi ko nga, probably some people are just making this noise.